Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better, I wanna be with you.
Mga minamahal na kapatid at mga kaibigan, tayo ay nagkatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at ng kapulungang ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Romney at ni Rolling.
That you need, I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than oceans. My heart is yours and you know this. I'll follow you where you're going, cause that's what my home is. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the
Love, napakasaya ko na dito tayo ngayon. Salamat kay Lord. Nung mga bata pa tayo, kakasalubong tayo hanggang sa, ayun nga, nagkakilala tayo.
Hold me close, don't let me go. Hold me close, don't let me go.
Pero yung nagtagal-tagal na, siyempre yung lagi na akong napunta sa inyo, ayun nga, nakikita na kita lagi. Medyo nawawala yung hiya mo. So, umpisa nun, nagkakilala tayo ng maigi. Doon na kita umpisang niligawan. Ayun nga, sa tumagal na tayo ng tumagal, marami ng pagsubok na dinadaanan na, ayun nga, sabay nating dinadaanan, nilalabanan, kahit saang lugar, kung saan-saan tayo nakakapunta.
Time goes by and I've been holding everything inside, but now I've got nothing left to hide. Well, I'm with you.
Sa aking mahal kong aliens, love, and soon to be my husband. Nagsimula ang lahat ng pag-ibigan natin dahil sa aking pinsan na si Mark. Shout out sa iyo, Mark! Siyang naging tulay upang makilala mo ako ng lubusan. From being hi, hello, until na pumupunta ka na sa bahay. Akala ko mga piso kang sadya mo. Yung pala umakit ka na nanligaw sa amin. Kasi pati si mama and tita ko niligawan niya.
Can do. I believe in starting over. I can see that your heart is true. I believe in good things coming back to you. You're the light that lifts me higher, so bright you got me through.
I never expected na manliligaw ka because you never asked me if pwede ka manligaw. I realized that moment na I'm really into you. I felt secured kahit nasa ligawan stage pa lang tayo because you pursued me. Kahit nagsiba ka ng mga sanga ng puno, nagtigib ng drum-drum na tubig, ginawa mo na walang reklamo. Mapasagot mo lang ako na ako.
You're all I need here. I believe in starting over. I can see that your heart is.
And here we are in the front of our Lord God, who authored of our love story. I prayed for you before I know you. Bago pa natin planuhin yung wedding na to. Bago ka pa mag-propose, bago mo pa ako ligawan, bago pa kita makilala, I pray for you. My first and my last, because you're the one I prayed for, and all the versions of you. I promise to love you, not only the present you. I promise that God will be my first priority, and my spouse, you, will be my second. I promise to always pursue you. I promise that our marriage will be about we and not me. I promise to confide in you and not to hide from you. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa akin.
Good luck. Hindi ako Chinese.
Mahal na mahal kita.